about your love. It's like I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long?